I've been gifted this 10-inch ceramic nonstick pan, and I just want to show you how easy it is to cook crepes on it. You really don't need a special crepe pan when the surface works this well. The ceramic coating is PTFE and PFOA free, so I can use very little oil and nothing sticks. The crepes slide right off, flip easily, and don't tear. It heats really evenly, which makes a huge difference with crepes. So no hot spots, no burnt edges, just pour, cook, and flip. This pan is made in America, and you can tell it's well made. It feels solid, not flimsy, and it works on all cooktops, including Induction. It's also oven safe, so it's useful beyond just breakfast. Cleanup is quick. Most of the time, it just wipes clean. So if you have struggled with crepes sticking before, check this pan out. It makes them feel way less intimidating. Definitely check this pan out. I highly recommend it. It has been one of my favorite ones, and I have tried many, many different ones over the years.